You're ugly.
Thank you.
In Portland, Oregon. We are here for the Tuner Evo car show, so by the time you guys are watching this, the show's already happening. So you blew it. If you wanted to come out here, you blew it. Well, we just met up with Chris, GTR Build. We're actually in his, you've shown this, yeah, you've shown this finish on your channel before. Yeah, like literally a couple days ago. Yeah, supercharged Raptor. Calvin is in the back taking a little nappy. We're actually cruising to Chris's shop right now because I've been watching Chris's channel for probably like 3 years now, and I've never actually got to see all of his cars before, and I really want to go see his GTR that he finished up because I haven't seen that in person yet. So Chris is giving us a little tour of Portland today because the show is until tomorrow. So we're just kind of cruising, hanging back today. But I want to go there, check out some stuff, show you guys around, and he just did a DIY paint booth that I'm pretty curious and I want to check it out. Do you still have the BRZ?
The BRZ is back in my house. I can show you that tomorrow night.
That was like the first video that I saw of yours, was when you did the BRZ.
Yeah, we just 2JZ swapped it since then. Dude, we could rip
it's automatic,
rip
right?
that out on the street. Yeah, dude, let's do that before Game of Thrones.
Oh, I'm
rip
so
the
down.
2JZ, yeah.
Wait, where is it? Is that your house?
The reason why I started watching Chris is because I crashed my car and they replaced the rear quarter panel, and he was replacing his rear quarter panel. I was like, holy shit, how'd they do that? And I see Chris just like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I'm gonna send it.
I had Chris pull out his R35 because this is probably my favorite build out of all of them that he's done, and because I miss mine like just so much that every time I see one of these I absolutely love it. And Chris had the balls to do what I didn't do, which was actually throw a wide body kit on the car.
I have only heated Sparco seats in the world.
These are heated seats? Yeah. Did you plug in what the factory seat?
I took the heating elements out of the factory seats and installed them into my Sparcos.
Man, this is bringing back quite the feels. Is this a 2009? Probably 2009. I don't think they made that chrome in any other year other than 2009. I think ours was a 2013. Like, this is a good all-around car. Like, if I was to sell the Ferrari tomorrow, this is probably what I would buy. So I would probably try to get like a newer gen, like a 2017, because they updated it just a little bit. Always beneficial to have in any car. Okay, I walk up to you. I have 40K cash.
I don't know how much it costs.
Okay, 40K cash. Here you go.
No.
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 I have 40K. I have 40K cash right here.
No. No.
You wouldn't do it.
No. I got like. 10,
you have like.
I have 10K in upgrades that I already bought for this thing too, though. We're running 9s with this thing.
Right now.
We will soon. It's at 650 to the wheels right now.
So not too long ago, I actually, before I got the Mustang, I told you guys in the comment section, I said that I responded to one of you, and I said if this comment gets like 1,000 likes, I'll buy an R35 again, and it did that, and I had every intention in doing that. And actually, Chris was a part of that, but I never told you guys this. Before I bought the Mustang, I gave Chris the okay, because Chris is like my go-to Copart buyer, because I don't have a dealer license. So if anyone needs to buy a car from Copart,
don't call me.
Just hit up Chris. But I was like, there was a GTR that we were looking at. I think it was a newer one. I don't even remember if it was a newer one, 2015 or whatnot. But I told Chris.
The one on Copart?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember that one.
We both agreed that spending over 55K was too much for the car.
I got this one for 20, and then we put 13 into it.
We were certain we were gonna get the car. Like, I was already like telling my friends that like this is gonna happen. Like, we're gonna get it, and then we got screwed. But one day, I promise I'll bring it back.
I will help him find a GTR at auction.
Yeah.
That's the way to go. You gotta have one.
Yeah.
Out of all the cars I own, Lambo, Aston Martin, Evora, the GTR is by far and away the best one.
I agree. It's just the best daily out of all of them. Like, the 458's cool and all, but you can get 458 performance and all that stuff with a way cheaper car. You don't have to worry about driving as much. But I don't know. One day I will do this again, hands down. Chris recently did a DIY paint booth. So cool. So awesome.
Again, this painting system creates so little overspray, you don't have to worry about it. Like,
this is legit.
The only reason the floor's painted is because I literally painted the floor.
New whip alert, baby. Chris is giving us his FJ for the weekend. It's pretty cool. It's actually painted in Linex, or I guess it's, what does he call it, Calvin? Raptor?
Raptor liner.
Raptor liner.
Oh.
Woo! BRZ making a debut in the Portland, Oregon area. Woo! So now we gotta get all of this stuffed, all these boxes, and there's a bunch of easy ups in the back, and then 2 Pelican cases. We're gonna do multiple trips with the FJ to bring it inside, get set up. Normally, when we do these events, we have to set up same day, which is pretty miserable. And luckily with this location, we're actually able to set up the night before. So we have 2 hours where we can finish up. We should be able to finish everything before then. This makes our life so much easier the day of the show. It's always cool seeing these venues like the day before when there's nobody in here. One day I hope that we'll get the opportunity to like bring in a car and drift inside these. What's up, dude? And drift inside one of these places because the grounds are so slick, it just makes everything so tempting. So there's that hall, which is, I don't think it's the main entrance. I think the main entrance is over here. Yeah, so this will be the main entrance, and then literally they're putting us right in front so you guys cannot miss us. Like I said, by the time you're watching this video, odds are the show's already going on. Awesome venue. Miami was cool, it was outdoors, but I really love the indoor venues because one, it makes it a lot easier on me because I'm not standing in the sun, but on everyone else, like the whole entire team involved. This makes everything a lot easier, not dealing with the elements, not dealing with the wind and all the extra bullshit. Calvin, don't, dude, it's so close, dude. I'm getting into a dead end, I have to poop. Dude, that is so close. Okay. Damn, bro, you're gonna kill someone out here. If you're not careful, you're gonna fly off, Calv. You're gonna take flight. All right, so I think we're pretty much done for today. Looks like a little toy car. We got our booth right next to Dustin's. BSR Build's FJ is not gonna be in the booth. All we gotta do is set up this last flag. We thought we'd have electricity, which we don't, which is a huge bummer because we have 2 applications that both require electricity to light everything up, but unfortunately we don't have that. Let them know, Cal, let them know. Wave it proud, brother. You'd be a cute little flag girl. Also, what we're gonna be doing, for those who are not aware, every event location that we go to, the first couple hundred people in line, I think it's the first couple hundred, all get like a reward system. So we have 50 BRZ pins that we're gonna be giving away here, 200 keychains, 250 posters and stickers, and the first 100 people will get free McGuire's product. So all that stuff is just if you are like within the first people in line. So it's like a reward system, and that's gonna be happening for every single event that we're going to. So I'm super hyped on that. Really trying to amp it up this year. But I'm just gonna move this thing closer to our booth and we will revisit this place in the morning. To get ready for tomorrow, I'm gonna do a waterless wash first. Then after that, I'm gonna hit it with a little quick dealer. Then after that, we're gonna do it to them dirty with the waterless wheel and tire. And then we'll top it off with a little glass cleaner. These are like the 4 essential, in my opinion, that like make any dirty car quick, the quickest way possible if you do not have water. Notice this is a waterless and this is waterless, and glass cleaner, obviously you don't need water. These are the 2 easiest things in my opinion to get your car looking clean. I don't ever not have these 2 bottles in every single one of my cars with a couple spare towels. We got up at 4 a.m. this morning. It is 8 o'clock right now in Portland. For some reason, the sun's not down yet. Where we are from, the sun is all the way down and it is pitch black by now. We have to go to the show tomorrow, Cal, bright and early, so we're gonna catch a little red eye.
Wait, you know that Portland has the same sun as us because we're in the same.
Yeah, I'm very aware of that, but dude, that is not.
Is there a time difference here?
No, there's no time difference. There's no time difference.
So that's what I'm saying. If there's no time difference, that means the sun sets at the same time.
That is not true.
How do you know that?
Comments will tell you. I'm pretty sure that isn't always the case.
Well, yeah, there's some time zones that are really wonky, but I'm pretty sure Portland and San Diego.
Dude, all I know is I'm 100% in San Diego right now. The sun is down. Period.
I'm calling Kevin. It's happening.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. You guys, the support lately has been awesome. I'm very, very appreciative of that. Calvin said that he is
not streaming on Twitch. I don't do that because we're here. I don't have my computer and I'm fucking mad. Hey, Kevin, is the sun down where you're right now for you? It's like set, like it's dark. Oh.
Got him! I told you.
Okay.
See?
Thank you. I was trying to prove a point, but you cut to me.
Kevin said the sun is down, it is
sun is
dark.
down.
I'm telling you, it's different here. It's much lighter. Anyways, I digress.
Bright outside.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Travel vlogs are always very tiring to film, so I'm literally gonna go to bed in like 30 minutes, and I'm gonna enjoy that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, and keep moving forward.